I'm Ro, and my superpowers include breaking and making things. If you like breaking and making things too, or are just starting your maker journey, this is the place for you. We cover woodworking, metalworking, 3D printing, electronics, and more. I try to be competent in these specialties, but as you will see, I'm not an expert. This is also sort of the point of what makes it fun. Things are guaranteed to not go quite as planned. Whoop, that won't work. And when that happens, we'll try to solve those problems in creative and entertaining ways.
It both shipped. We did it.
We hope to inspire you to make the stuff that you want to make. So if you support the right to hack and tweak for life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness, then join us on our warranty-avoiding journey, and hopefully you'll pick up a few tips and tricks along the way. So be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified when we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next dive.